What's up, Whitney, and welcome to our first activity for our Fall Festival 2020.
This activity will be a pie eating contest, and these are the representatives from each class.
Hi, I'm TJ. I'm a 7th grader.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey. I'm an 8th grader.
Hi, I'm Noah. I'm a 9th grader.
Hi, I'm Sikander and I'm a 10th grader.
What's up, guys? My name is Siddhant and I'm an 11th grader.
I'm Dylan and I'm a 12th grader.
Yay, these are our brave representatives who are going to be competing in this pie eating contest. And how this contest is going to work is we are going to give our representatives 2 minutes to eat as much pie as they can. And whoever either finishes their pie or eats the most pie in that amount of time is our winner. So with that, let's get started. And your time begins now.
Bro, it's spicy.
We're at 40 seconds, so keep going. Dylan said his pie is spicy, so keep it up. Got 1 minute left, so race to finish, you guys. Keep it up. Keep up the good work.
I'm gonna finish this.
Gander out here flexing his AirPods. And we have our last 10 seconds, so race to finish. Whoever eats the most is our winner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and utensils down. Pies up. Holy Siddhant! He almost finished. Dylan, you fought a good fight. All right, let's see. Okay, I think that our winner is Siddhant. Correct me if I'm wrong. Wait. Hold the pies up, so let me take a screenshot real quick. All right, pies up to the camera. Dylan. All right, screenshot. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Bro, it had a kick to it.
How was your guys' experience in this competition? How was that? 2 minutes of eating.
I think a minute and 30 seconds would have been more fitting.
More food?
It felt too easy.
Too easy. Oh my gosh. So Siddhant is really a apple. TJ. TJ, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. It's a lot of sugar.
Too much sugar. Oh my goodness. You guys are so brave for competing in this challenge. I could never. I would just.
Funny thing is, I'm not even full.
You're not full? Okay. You still got the rest of the pie to finish. How is that, everyone? Noah, you good? Lots of pie eaten.
Never doing that again.
Never doing it again.
I'll do it again if I get money.
Get money. Well, okay, you're not getting money, but every single one of you guys at least 20 spirit points. So great job. All right, okay. We're gonna go ahead and end off this activity. Thank you guys so much for participating.
Bye.
Bye.